Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for two of my favorite party snacks I grew up with back in Guyana. But before we jump into the recipe, I want to take this opportunity to wish Ariana a happy 9th birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day and your birthday is as special as you are. Now let's jump into the recipe. Alright guys, let's look at the ingredients. I don't know if y'all remember this, but tip top cheese. Yes, I'll be adding that as a twist in my cheese spread sandwich. Here I have some butter, mayonnaise, grated garlic, some pepper sauce, mustard, and I have some sharp cheddar cheese, white and yellow, and some gouda cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Here I will add all the ingredients to my food processor and I will just process this until everything is very well combined. Once it is done, this is how it will look. I'll now go ahead and separate it into 3 separate bowls because I will color them with 3 colors. So I added a little bit of yellow food coloring to this bowl because I wanted the cheese spread to look a bit more vibrant. And then I went ahead and added some green into another bowl, mix that well to combine, and this will be the second color. Once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and add some red food coloring to the third color. And this will turn out a bit pinkish in color. But if you want it to look red or more vibrant, you could add some more food coloring to it. Next, I went ahead and add the cheese spread to some sandwich bread. I added the 3 colors onto 3 slices. And once I was done, I just put them together. You could do it in any order that you like. Now you want to go ahead and just cut the edges off, and then you just slice it right down the middle, making like a triangular shape. You can really get creative with this and cut it into 4 pieces if you like. You can cut it into squares. You know, you can just do whatever you prefer, guys. It is super simple and very versatile. Now let's go ahead and make some sausage, pineapple, and cheese bites. I never really knew the correct name for this, but I just call it sausage, pineapple, and cheese bites. Here you see me slicing up some sharp cheddar cheese, and then I will slice up some sausage, and then I will cut up a pineapple. This is super simple. Once everything is cut up, you just want to go ahead and put them together onto a toothpick. Like I said, you want to just put them together on a toothpick in any order that you like. You can put 3 or you can add 4. Just do whatever you prefer to suit your own preference. Some people also add cherries here, but I prefer to keep it simple and authentic. And while I was finishing up, my daughter came down and she wanted to help. So I was giving her a short history on all these little snacks that we used to have back in the day when I was growing up as a child and stuff. And here you have it, my version of cheese spread sandwich, or some people call it rainbow sandwich, and sausage, pineapple, and cheese bites. I truly enjoy this. It took me right back to my childhood, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.